Our triangle bracket consists of three main parts, which is this short and long bracket, and this connecting rod. Please first install the three short brackets to connect the long brackets. After the installation, and then connect the three connecting rods to the three short brackets and long brackets, so that the following three-legged bracket is installed. After fixing the bracket, we are left with a cross arm. It needs to be installed according to the diagram corresponding to the sensor. Here we use the nut to connect the cross arm to the long bracket, and you can take a closer look at the hole position. We need to note that the sensor cables are coming out from underneath the cross arm. We'll deal with the next wiring issues in step 4. In addition to the front, which are mounted on the cross arm sensors, like temperature, humidity and pressure of these multi-plate radiation shield gas sensors, are generally installed using this bending plate. Please use the hoops to fix the installation on the tripod lever. We then install the multi-plate radiation shield on the bending plate. The multi-plate radiation shield is installed. The next step is to install the protective box. We use the hoop from the back of the protective box through the rail strip, and then the protective box held on the tripod is complete. 1. The power adapter is used to power the data logger. 2. The RS485 to USB converter and the male connector are used to test sensor communication. It's only used if the sensors don't communicate. Please keep this for future use. After the above operations are complete, the protective box is installed. We pause to install the screws as shown in the 4 pictures, and it is finished. We wired the sensor on the cross arm and threaded it from the bottom of the cross arm around to the pre-drilled hole above the long bracket. The cables from the bottom of the multi-plate radiation shield go up and also through this upper pre-drilled hole. We thread all the cables out through the pre-drilled hole at the bottom. Then we put them into the bottom of the box. Finally, we insert the navigation plug into the junction box in the inside of the protective box. The solar panel wire also goes up into the protective box, and we connect the power supply wire into the solar controller. At the same time, we connect the battery to the solar controller. Then, all the cables are finished. To this step, we can fix the bracket. For the concrete floor, we use expansion screws from the bottom of the 3 support legs into it. Finally, the whole weather station is installed.